Healthy lifestyle tips. Here are some tips for staying healthy despite your college lifestyle. It is a common myth that in order to be in shape, you need to eat right and exercise. Exercise not only helps maintain a healthy weight, but also reduces the risk of developing diseases due to a sedentary lifestyle. Exercise relieves stress and tension, strengthens muscles and increases endurance, which helps your body work more efficiently during other tasks or physical activity. Healthy movement can include walking, exercising, dancing, yoga, running, or other activities that you enjoy. Everyone knows that a balanced diet, exercise, and adequate rest are the key to maintaining health. These tips will help you stick to a healthy eating plan. Now is the perfect time to learn simple ways to help your entire family eat healthy. Eat a balanced, low-fat diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Aim to eat 3 ounces of whole grains, bread, rice, or pasta each day. Try to eat at least 5 servings, 400 grams, of fruits and vegetables a day, especially fresh seasonal vegetables. Your daily food choices should include a balance of carbohydrates, protein, fruits, vegetables, and dairy products. It's a good idea to try eating at home because it sets the stage for healthy eating habits and daily routines, rather than fast food on the way home from get-off work. Eating small, frequent meals throughout the day is good for your metabolism, but the most important thing is proper nutrition. If you keep portions moderate and reasonable, it will be easier for you to eat what you want and maintain a healthy and balanced diet. Attention to portion sizes will help us not to consume too many calories and allow us to eat all the foods we like without having to cut them out. The key to eating healthy is getting the right amount of calories for how active you are to balance the energy you take in with the energy you use. If you eat or drink more than your body needs, you gain weight because the energy you don't use is stored as fat. Sugar is a source of empty calories that deplete your body of important vitamins and minerals. Added sugars and solid fats are high in calories in foods and beverages, but provide limited beneficial nutrients. We need more than 40 different nutrients to stay healthy, and no single food can provide all of them. You should also eat a wide variety of foods to make sure you eat a balanced diet and make sure your body is getting all the nutrients it needs. Eat a variety of foods from all food groups to get a range of nutrients to keep you energized throughout the day. Eating a variety of foods, regularly and in moderation, is the best recipe for a healthy diet. According to the 2015 Diet Guide for Americans, a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables, lean protein, lean dairy, and whole grains is what you need for optimal energy. A high protein intake can boost your metabolism significantly, making you feel full enough to automatically consume fewer calories. Instead, we can choose low-fat foods, eat them less often, and in smaller portions. Choose foods with healthy fats, limit foods high in saturated fat, and avoid foods with trans fats. Twice a week, add fish with healthy fats, such as salmon or tuna, to your diet. Eating fish 2 to 3 times a week, with at least 1 serving of oily fish, will promote proper intake of unsaturated fats. If you are a non-vegetarian, include oily fish in your diet, as omega-3 fatty acids can help prevent inflammatory diseases such as heart disease. Cook with less salt, limit the amount of high-sodium condiments, such as soy sauce, added to foods, and avoid salty snacks. When eating, it is best not to put salt on the table, or at least not before tasting. Even if you don't add salt to your food, you can still eat too much. It can be difficult to find the time and energy to exercise regularly or prepare healthy meals. Sleeping more is a healthy habit that many people need to get rid of. If you make healthy habits part of your daily routine, you'll be less likely to get sick, whether it's diabetes, heart disease, or even cancer. If you're aiming for a healthier lifestyle, start with your mental health and make sure you take the time to relax and do what you enjoy, rewarding yourself for accomplishments and spending time with good people who appreciate you. Do something you enjoy every day, even if it's something as simple as cooking a healthy meal or listening to your favorite song. Consider if your emotions are making you want to eat, and try doing something else to deal with negative feelings or celebrate a good mood. You should always eat breakfast and eat something healthy every few hours to keep your energy levels up. Portion control in food and drink can help you achieve or maintain a healthy weight. In addition to journaling, focusing on behaviors related to diet and physical activity levels can help speed weight loss. Good ways to improve your gut health include eating probiotic foods like yogurt and sauerkraut, taking probiotic supplements, and eating more fiber. If you're making only one major change to your diet for optimal weight and health management, shift your food choices toward whole plant-based foods such as whole grains, beans, lentils, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and whole form of seeds. Primarily whole plant foods.